nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I achieved those 2 curly pigtails. So if you're interested, continue watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my part right down the middle. I use the tip of my nose as a guide to make the straightest part possible in the middle of my head. So once your part is done, you're gonna go ahead and catch one side up into a ponytail just to keep it out the way. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out some baby hairs. The baby hairs I do not have, but I'm gonna make them work. So I'm going to now smooth my hair down towards the back because they are going to be low ponytails. And I'm going to be going in with 2 rubber bands to tie my hair up. So I'm going in with the Clear Eco Styling Gel. I prefer using gel to do my ponytails. When I use the gel, my hair does not curl up. So if your hair does curl up when you use gel, I would suggest using the Got To Be Free Spray. I find that works on natural hair. So just in case, guys, that is a tip for you guys because I have been getting that question if my hair curls up when I apply the gel. So no, it doesn't, and that's why I like using it. So because I only applied the layer of gel on the top, I'm gonna go ahead with my comb and just comb it through so it is nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna remove the rubber band and tie it back together because you don't want all those like ripples around your ponytail. So you just want to take it out and make sure it's all nice and smooth and just catch it right back up into the ponytail. So I'm just using my black wrap it up strip and I'm just going to tie it to the back of my head while I go ahead and sew in my bundles. I will be sewing the bundles onto my braid like an extended ponytail. So I'm just going ahead and I'm braiding my hair. And once I braid it to the end, because I'm not going to actually make it longer, I'm going to use a rubber band just to secure the braid. So I'm just going to be using some random curly bundles I had laying around. You will need a needle and thread. I normally just use 2 needles at most. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start sewing my weave from the end of my braid, and I'm gonna wrap the hair around my braid and just make a stitch, just 1 stitch on the top of my braid every time I wrap it around. And I'll do that until I reach the top of the braid.
Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. And get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much often. And that's how we like it. Never time for arguing and fighting. And if we do, you know it's quick to make up. Pay for all your manicures and makeup. Make sure that your paper's straight, no pay cuts. Take care of my baby like a daycare. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Throw it like a cyclone. Said she wanna play around with the lights on. Said she wanna play around with my ice on. Lord, when she get to buying like a python. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. And get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much often. And that's how we like it. Never time for arguing and fighting. And if we do, you know it's quick to make up. Pay for all your manicures and makeup. Make sure that your paper's straight, no pay cuts. Take care of my baby like a daycare. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Throw it like a cyclone. Said she wanna play around with the lights on. Said she wanna play around with my ice on. Lord, when she get to buying like a python. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hopping new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me.
So guys, this is how it looks with the curly bundles in. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip off my black wrap it up strip. And so here's how it's looking. I'm just gonna take a piece from underneath and I'm gonna use this piece to wrap around the last track so you don't see it. So I'm gonna make sure it's combed out. So once I wrap it, it's smooth. I'm going in with the black 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 gel and I'm gonna use it for a strong hold. And I'm just gonna wrap this small piece around the rim of my track. That way you don't see the track. and it's covered. It looks sleek, it looks neat, and that's it. So guys, I'm going in with my 24-hour ebon edge control. If you're not new here, you already know the vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges right now. And yeah, once that's done, this hairstyle is complete. I'm going back in with some gel just to hold the front down because I did have a lot of hair left out for my edges, and then I'm going to cover it up back with a black wrap it up strip and cater to my ends because they were a bit trashy. So I went in with some mousse. I was being lazy. Instead of using water, I went in with some mousse and I just drenched the entire thing so the curls could reappear. It looks refreshed, and yeah, that's about it. Once I'm all done with the ends, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this black wrap it up strip. And yeah, I'm going in with this gloss just to give my hair some shine. I'm just spraying it all over. And that is about it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like this style. If you're here this long and you're not subscribed, honey, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.